Welcome back to our coverage on the Computex 2024, and we are now at the Acer's booth at Nangang Exhibition Center, and we're gonna start off with their Copilot Plus PC section. You know, this year is all about Gen AI, generative AI. So what they have demonstrated here is the Swift 14 AI laptop that is using the Snapdragon X Elite platform. Now you can see there are plenty of laptops here showing that how you can use all the AI features that are available with the Copilot Plus PC. Of course, there are plenty of functions that you can do with it, like asking questions, generative text, and helpful messages. And there's another function, what they call it again? The recall. And recall function is something that quite impressive, that they can do a lot of the, I would say, rollback on your actions that you have done previously. Now, of course, all of these functions are controversial now, but we are looking forward to hands-on on the actual device so that we can actually use it every day and tell you whether is it a problem or not. But let's just move on to the next section. Of course, other than the Snapdragon X Elite platform, the Acer Swift also comes with Intel Lunar Lake and Ryzen AI 300 series processors. Unfortunately, they do not let us touch the two laptops here because apparently they are still under development, and these are engineering samples and they expect it not to be perfect right now. Well, it's a shame because Computex is all about having us the opportunity to hands-on on the latest and the bleeding edge technology. But that's alright, if that's the bleeding edge, it is right here in front of you. So other than AI, Acer this year has done something rather different compared to many others, because you have seen many other booths, they just focus on AI. But Acer, all this year, they have been investing into another type of product, which is, they call it Spatial Labs. This is a very specific product that focuses on glasses 3D, or someone call it naked eye 3D. So what they have here showcased is the monitor itself. This monitor is called the View Pro 27. It is a dedicated Spatial Labs capable naked eye 3D, where you can see at the top bezel, they have two cameras to track your eye's position, and then that will translate to a different type of image representing on the screen that projects into both your eyes, indirectly telling you like you are looking into an object, 3D object, looking at a window into an object, something like that. Obviously, a lot of people are going to complain like why the bezels are so thick, so ugly, but hey, you need all those components to get it work. And on top of that, even the speakers, they are positioned underneath the monitor bezels. So it's a unique design choice right here. Now, once you have the monitor, of course you will need the camera, a 3D camera, to power all the 3D content generation. And what Acer have here is the 3D camera that is called the Spatial Labs Eyes. This is, obviously they have like two dedicated cameras on the camera unit itself. They use this to record all the 3D stuff in front of the scene, and then of course save it into your PC, and you will need a dedicated or a PC that is capable of projecting or playing back the 3D video from there. If you rotate, this is basically just a normal camera with a screen at the back, and then like there's a power button and a shutter button at the top. So pretty standard things. Spatial Labs, yes, that is the 3D camera. Yes,
3D compact camera.
3D compact camera. So we're now at the Predator gaming section, and what we have right in front of me here is a humongous Predator Z57 gaming monitor. This is crazy. A dual 4K mini LED panel with 1000R curved display. Imagine you put two 4K monitors in front of you, glued together, curve it. This is what I call immersive gaming experience. Of course, you will need a very powerful graphics card. And of course, nowadays, Wi-Fi is one of the most important basic necessity we will need. Basically, it is a connectivity-wise. So Predator has showcased two Wi-Fi 7 capable routers. They are very similar. They have just one difference, whereby this one has a 5G modem built into it. You can use your regular WAN as well as your 5G SIM card. So you can have a fallback in case you want. But they are tri-band, 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, 6 GHz, and they use the Qualcomm Immersive Home platform for this that is capable of 11,000 megabits of transfer rate. Now, as for the Nitro section, we have an unnamed controller on display here. From the looks of it, we managed to remove the back cover and we found out there are two AA battery slots or a dedicated battery slots. Who knows? That means that this controller is capable of wireless gaming capabilities. Just that in demos area, they remove the batteries and then they connect it with a USB Type-C cable. We're looking forward for Acer to announce this product maybe soon. Okay, and last but not least, Acer has ventured into PC DIY segment as well. Starting off with this case that we have seen last year. This is a very compact and customizable mini case. I believe this is a mini ITX capable case, and you have a lot of unique design that you can use it to latch to open up the design, the panels and everything else. Splendid! They even have, of course, we have a mini ITX case. They also have a small form factor power supply. This is a Predator power supply unit GX 850. Yes, you need this kind of high power supply to supply with all the gaming components in it. And all the GPUs right here, they have Predator and Nitro graphics card, and they are all using either Intel or AMD graphics card. Right now there is no NVIDIA cards, who knows why, but yeah, we'll let them sort it out about the rest. So that's all for our quick overview and run through for the Acer's booth over at Computex 2024. Do let us know which product has captured your attention, and I'll see you guys in the next video.